Number 6, the conduct and discipline. In our university, you will have a lot of freedom to do what you want within reasonable limits. Bear in mind, do not abuse that freedom. There are sets of rules relating in your conduct and discipline as a student. The rules and regulations in student conduct and discipline define actionables such as cheating, possession of deadly weapons, possession of prohibited drugs, discourtesy to the university officials, faculty, and staff. Alright? There you have it! Our tips on how you can make the most of your stay in our university.
Always remember our tips. Dahil ikaw,
Ako, tayo, kapamilya perpetuals! This has been your friendly tipster. I'm Laro,
and I'm Cheese.
saying good day!